Many people want financial freedom, but they feel stuck at the beginning. Our first step is understanding where we are. Money problems often create stress and confusion, but changing our mindset can change our future. The biggest mistake is thinking small problems cannot be solved. Every successful person started somewhere. The first question is simple. What habits are controlling your money? Growth begins when we learn, plan, and become more aware of our choices. Small actions are like planting seeds. With patience, they can grow into something bigger. Building wealth is not one giant jump. It is a series of small steps taken consistently. Learning about money gives you power. Knowledge helps you make smarter decisions. Saving even a small amount teaches discipline and creates a stronger financial future. Every goal starts with a decision. A better money mindset begins with one small change. Money choices happen every day. Learning to choose wisely is the beginning of financial growth. Small habits repeated daily become powerful results over time. Consistency is the secret behind progress. A simple budget helps you control your money instead of letting money control you. Not every desire needs an immediate purchase. Smart people learn the difference between wants and needs. Discipline means choosing your future over temporary excitement. The more you learn about money, the better decisions you can make. Success is built step by step. Small improvements create bigger achievements. Time is one of your greatest financial tools. Patience allows your efforts to grow. Organizing your money creates clarity and reduces stress. When good habits become part of your life, financial confidence starts growing. Your financial journey starts with believing that improvement is possible. Confidence begins with your mindset. Big dreams become easier when you break them into smaller goals. Everyone makes money mistakes. The important thing is learning from them. A mistake is not the end. It is a lesson that helps you become smarter. A calm mind makes better decisions. Emotional control is an important money skill. Clear goals give your actions direction and purpose. Fear can stop progress, but courage creates new opportunities. There is no perfect path to success. Keep moving forward, one step at a time. Tracking progress reminds you that small improvements are still achievements. Every smart choice builds a stronger version of yourself. Your greatest investment is always yourself. New knowledge creates new opportunities. Growth takes time, just like a plant. Stay patient and keep taking care of your future. Daily effort may seem small, but it creates extraordinary results over time. Don't just spend your money. Learn to make your money work for you. Every lesson you learn becomes another step toward success. Measure your progress instead of comparing yourself with others. Sharing knowledge helps everyone grow. Success becomes more meaningful when you inspire others. One good idea can completely change your financial future. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Progress deserves recognition. Keep your eyes on your vision. Your daily habits are slowly turning those dreams into reality. Your small daily actions are becoming powerful results. Keep believing in the process. Success isn't about being perfect. It's about staying consistent every single day. Every challenge you overcome makes you stronger and wiser. Financial freedom is built one smart decision at a time. Never stop learning. The more you know, the more opportunities you create. Keep moving forward, even if your steps are small. Progress is still progress. Believe in yourself. Your future is shaped by the choices you make today. Hold on to your vision and let your habits turn your dreams into reality. Your financial journey has already begun. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and keep growing. Remember, wealth starts with the right mindset. If this inspired you, like this video, subscribe for more motivation, and begin your first small step today.